In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mirth AI with Canva and adjust the speed of your voiceovers. Let's dive right into it, starting with opening Canva. Canva is a versatile platform known for its ability to combine various media types seamlessly, which makes it perfect for adding that extra polish to your project with an AI-generated voiceover. Once you're in, let's get your audio files ready. Prepare them by ensuring all audio elements are correctly formatted and edited. Make sure that your audio clips are clear and that there's no background noise. This will guarantee the cleanest and most professional output once they are processed through the AI. With your audio in perfect shape, the next step is to select the Apps option. This will allow you to expand Canva's capabilities by connecting with various third-party tools. Type a Mirth AI into the search bar to find the app. Mirth AI is an innovative tool that utilizes AI to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. If you have not yet connected Mirth AI to your Canva account, this is the moment to do so. The connection process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be ready in no time. Once Mirth AI is connected, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a whole new set of options for enhancing your audio project. You'll want to scroll down until you see the feature that allows you to adjust the speed of your voiceover. Altering the speed can make a significant difference, whether you need to slow it down for clarity or speed it up for more time-sensitive projects. Adjusting voiceover speed should be done with intention. Consider the flow and comprehension of your material. Aim for a pace that complements your visual elements and keeps your audience engaged. Now that your setup is complete, take a moment to preview how your adjustments affect the overall presentation of your project. This final step ensures everything is in harmony and prepared for sharing. A polished voiceover, combined with compelling visuals, can transform an ordinary presentation into something extraordinary. Remember, the key to a successful voiceover integration is ensuring that each component works in tandem to create a cohesive and professional result. That's all for today's tutorial on connecting Mirth AI with Canva to create and adjust your audio. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and informative. By mastering this skill, you'll add a new dimension to your projects, making them stand out with captivating voiceovers that convey your message with clarity and impact. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.